a gift. My dear lovely husband gave me a Dyson. I was asking for it, and so we had our anniversary November 12th, and I get my hair dryer, and I've been really waiting for this. Let me put this away. I've been waiting for this because I have long hair. I have two girls, and they're swimming all the time, and they get wet, and it's winter when it's starting to get cold, and I don't want it to get sick. And I want a hair dryer that is actually not that noisy, not that heavy, and I think this is it. So you can see, come and look. This is the Dyson Supersonic Intelligent Heat Control for Shine. Let's see. See how I can find here. Oh, so excited! So excited! I love Dyson vacuum. They're the best. Let me tell you a story. We were living in these apartments, and Nathan went to vacuum the car with our Dyson, and he came back to the apartment, forgot to close the garage, and he went downstairs just a couple of minutes, and it was gone. Somebody took it. So I was so upset because they're not that noisy, and the vacuum that was vacuuming everything out of this carpet, you know, apartment carpets come out. It's a lot of dust. And I have 4 kids, you know, and I need to keep everything clean so they don't get sick or get allergens, any kind of allergies that is really bad for them. So let's see here. We have 2 heads that you can use. Probably you want more air, less, according to the kind of hair that you want, or do you have, or the kind of style that you want to get. You have like a hello, welcome hair dryer booklet. Get it out, and he explained to you how to use it. Probably, let's see. I don't like to follow instructions usually, guys. That's Nathan's strength, but not mine. So probably want to skip that, and let's see. It's just a freaking dryer. I don't know why they put instructions. You just turn it on and dry it. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna get scissors and cut this plastic off. And I love it because it's long. So I can talk, and I can probably go farther, because I hate when there's short cords. The cords are really long. This is really nice. This box is nice. I like it. But I need my dryer. Okay, about the box. I'm gonna connect it right here. I find a place where to connect it. Okay. So it's supposed to be efficient also.
What's the pad for?
Take my probably to put it there, no? Right there? Awesome. You don't scratch it that way because they look nice. You don't want to scratch this nice dryer. Okay, let's see here.
And what's with the vegetable food processor contraption right there?
Good one, honey. It look like, look. Probably this is, sometimes people use it, they connect it, and they dry it, and they go like combing their hair. So it can dry inside, not only the outside, because when you dry only the outside, you dry your hair.
Yeah, to do it efficiently, normally you have to comb and move it and stuff.
Yes, yes. So this is amazing. And I'm gonna try to get this plastic off if I can. Oh, I have the little thingies. Okay. If I can get this off. Beautiful nails, I love it. Thank you, Beatrice. She's amazing. She has good talents doing nails. So I was afraid to do my nails. That's another video I'm gonna do, because usually when I used to go to these nail shops, they use, I don't know what kind of material, but it leave my nails are weak and painful and not good. And sometimes you develop fungus. You don't want that. All right. So look at here. Have the button. You can turn it on like this. Okay. Woo! Oh my goodness. And it's done. And right there, this button red means you want it hotter. And this is the LED noise. Oh, I love it. It sounds like a vacuum. Okay, try this one over here. All right. Ooh. Remember those Dysos in the bathroom, in the restaurant to dry your hair? Ooh. This is so less than that. That's noisy. But this is really mild. What do you think? It's smooth.
Yeah.
Do you think, honey? In comparison to the other dryer that I have, that is like, oh, and it's so heavy. This is, actually, I can, you know, because when you dry your hair, you have long hair, you spend like 20, 30 minutes drying your hair.
Yeah.
So this is something that
If it can cut down the dry time, that'll be good.
and I can go faster. Look at that. Oh, it feels good. It's not like the other ones that burn my skin. And this is the medium. I can go. It's hot, but it's not like that heat that burns your skin. I love it. And this is the highest.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. The other one is like drawing from the stove, from the oven, something like this, and you feel that it's burning. This is really good. I'm gonna use medium setting, but fast pan, and maybe this one maybe. Mild, and dry my hair. And let's see how long we're gonna dry it, okay? I will start like 2 minutes ago. So be planning, no honey? I want myself dry, but not split it. I usually do this because it's harder to dry the inside of your hair. And it's cold outside, and I don't want to catch a cold and have runny nose to go to work and do whatever. But I want my hair to be in a good shape. Oh, I love this. This is amazing. Thank you, honey. Thank you. You're the best. And I found that at Best Buy, they have it on sale for $3.99. Usually they were, how much they are?
I don't know.
400 and something in other stores.
Right.
But they have it on sale and Best Buy. No, it's sale, but it's, I think a fair price. Well, if you want something good, I can last forever. Because I have my vacuum, the one that they installed, remember I told you? I had it like for 10 years, no? And they installed it, was working really good. I didn't have to buy filter bags or anything like that. We just rinse it and once a year make them put things apart and change filters and wipe it off, and it was ready to go. I know, for another year, every year. So well, I got another one. But I don't know, honey. The vacuum that we have right now, the Dyson, that we bought, the same quality of the one that we used to have before, the yellow one.
It's the same model, just updated version or what have you.
But doesn't have the strain.
Well, maybe there's something that's not connected. I gotta check it.
Well, some people think when you vacuum, if they're too strong, it's not good for the carpet. So maybe they notch it down a little bit. But it's still, you know, doing a good job. Still does a good job. Look, it's been like 5 minutes. And my hair is getting dry, and I feel I can go for an hour because this is light, it's not heavy, and it's not that noisy, and I don't see that electricity is going down because when I use other, I think it's efficient too also in electricity because when I use my other hair dryers, if I put too many things, you know, working on my flats, I end up without electricity. It's like kind of like suck the electricity out of it. Okay. It's right. The ends a little bit. Maybe I need to work the ends with this one. I'm not stylish. I'm just going. I will work for me. Oh, this is. Wow. So this is for the end. Oh, yes, this is for the end. Oh my gosh. Because we separate the hair and you dry it. Separate it because when they stack together it's harder to dry. Oh, and give me a cold massage. Oh, you need to be a little gentle. You need to be a little gentle with that one. Well, I pay for insurance, so no biggies. I have kids, I need to pay only for the warranty, extra 2 years warranty. And something happened, they give me a new one. Oh, I love life, and life loves me. What do you guys think? I love my new Dyson hair dryer. Thank you, honey. Bye, guys.